Toastify. So this is my entry for October, ACBA for cut it out. So just using one cutout, which is the 3 over there, and a little bit a mixture of glass technique at the back for the birds. So we have Musashi Miyamoto here, sitting down, relaxing. Originally I was going to do this for the Serenity bit theme, but I thought I'll do something else for Serenity. So hopefully you like it. And this is the setup, so let me just show you the setup overall. And simple lighting, it's just all white lighting and just a little bit of lights directed towards the lens of my camera to mimic the sunrise coming down from the mountains at the back, hitting the camera. So it just gives it a little bit more dramatic with the lighting. Yep. Anyway, see you soon. Bye bye.